Oh, give me some chips. What is up, lads? Lads, fellas, so with me playing Fathom. And today, if I die, I have to unplug my grandma's life support. So, you see, there's been a few, okay, we got two new guys. We got Chandelier. We got Layla. But you see, we got two new game modes. If you're wondering why my voice is going up and down, it's because I'm bored as enemies. The plan Syre is now here. He will be moving with the lads. Alright. We got the credits here. Bro, so you good, man? I don't. We got Oh, it's me! It's Syre! It's really Syre! Let's do some two. Okay, so I wanted to do unplug, but Syre here. Syre here. Syre. Where's Syre go? Oh. I think he has an idea. Wow! Good idea.
Maybe you're joking or trying to talk about an overexcited / crazy HI thought.
BMDXX is a little devil that...
I didn't think he would join. He's like a parasite. I can't get rid of him. See here now, Syre. You're stuck in the Fathom, Syre. I'm so fucking lonely, bro.
Please, Syre, please just love me. Oh!
Anyway, what's Syre doing? We're actually playing Fathom now. Oh shit. Oh fuck, he's good. I could never catch up. Oh my god, every time I like jump over the corner it scares the shit out of me. My heart drops to my boobs. You'll see me in hell. Come on, let's go. Yeah, just catch up with it. Yeah. Wait. Oh!
You've been in here for
Hey, shut the fuck up, you little twat.
Oh, get out. You've been in here for too long, bro.
Oh shit, you left without me. Oh fuck! Ah, my body!
Are those Doritos?
What the hell? How did you know?
I can tell by the crunch.
Oh, aha. Oh, hello. It seems like we have a family. Let's smell this. Yeah. Pension. I really am talking to myself here. No! Right, come on. Let's go, lads. Oh god, the Phantom's died. That's a high level. Fucking 200 whatever. Oh my god, I'm a fucking liability. That's what I've realized. That. Oh! Ugh. I just heard an oof sound. I'm scared. Come on.
Oh, get out. You've been in here for too long, bro.
Okay, well, you get the point. Like,
Oh, get out. You've been in here for too long, bro.
what if I were to say? Fuck! Emo bro. And
Hero Brian patch note or something. I am the dummy from Fathom, voiced by Mr. Noi Frou.
gotta laugh, you feel me? Let's go, lads. I think I fucking died. No! No, run! Fuck off! Ah! Oh! I'm so good at Fathom.
Excuse me,
perfect.
sir. There must be someone you've confused me for. I probably shouldn't sing the rest of the song.
I love Fathom. Look at this loser, bro. Look at this loser down there. Oh wow! Oh wow! What the fuck? This is going Grace actually. No, I got these baboons following me. These goobers, these little goobies. These guys aren't that important to the Fathom lore. Every character to Fathom is important. The Yuri, the Yaoi, no, not wrong. I'm gonna need it. Bruh! Okay, so let's see how far this lad gets. This goober. Come on. My grandma's life depends. You could, bruh. That was brilliant. Shit. Oh. So this is for all the biscuits. All the sugar pounds and crisps. This song goes fucking hard. I am getting increasingly better. I'm gonna make this a part 1. Part 2 is gonna be all the new game modes. And with all that said and done, I think that should be the outro. So if you like the video, you can like it. If you want to subscribe, please do.